we go. All right. Hello, Gisele here. My video isn't starting, but I think we're working now. All right. Just hopping on to say hello, see how everyone's doing. We're in Arkansas City, Kansas, and lots of rain, as a lot of people are getting lots of rain and flooding. We're okay where we're at. The river nearby is getting really full. We haven't looked at it in a day or two, but it was already full and we're still getting lots of rain. Um, we were lucky to have a little bit of sunshine, and so far it's still up, but we're not going to hold our breath because we got more on the way. So, just wanted to kind of check in, see how everyone was doing, especially with this lovely weather we've been having. And you can get kind of, um, it's kind of hard to get out in this mess, especially when it's really hard, pouring down hard. And I would encourage everyone to take advantage of this time. This is a good time to just relax if you can, read a book, listen to some good music, watch a good movie, whatever. Take care of yourself, take advantage of this time. We're always going all the time, and it's if we don't get out of the house all the time, we kind of get stir crazy. But you can do other things. If this is a time to take advantage of this downtime, and it's not a bad thing. You got to relax sometimes. And I say this too to remind myself, and Dan's probably over there going, yeah, yeah, she just keeps going all the time. Ever ready bunny, won't stop. Yeah, he's nodding his head over there. so, so yeah, take advantage of this time. And while I'm on here too, I want to encourage people to check out my page. It is recipes for natural beauty and vibrant health. There's recipe videos, some posts on recipes, and there's some tips. And then also would like to invite you to our group, which is Healthy Living with Dan and Jisele. And this, of course, is all on Facebook. So hop on. We're here to help people, encourage people to, take better care of themselves. We're sharing from our own experiences. Again, we are not doctors. We are only sharing from our experience and from other people that we've watched and followed that have had good, it's really good success with following what we follow as well. It's amazing when somebody tells you, if a doctor tells you that something is incurable, somebody somewhere, I don't know who it was, incurable breaks down to cure from within. So we all have everything we need within us, and the better we take care of ourselves, nurture our body properly, and don't put the crap in our body that everybody knows what's good and what isn't good. If anything, people make up excuses why they have to put poisons in their body, and they say we only live once, and anyway. So, we can do so much more for our bodies than we think or want to admit. And Dan and I just like to encourage people and share some ideas that have worked for us, and hopefully it'll help you, and you can take it or leave it, but we're here doing our thing, trying to help people the best we can. So you want to say anything else to what I've said already? You can hop on in anytime if you want to. You over there just looking really cute and everything, and it's like, come on over here.
What Gisele was saying about you know what belongs in your body, what doesn't. I've been through that and learned the hard way. My body started telling me you need to stop doing things because it's not working out well, and your body's not reacting well to it. So the the chemicals that's supposed to make you feel better and have fun. Usually the next day you don't feel too good or you're not having any fun.
No, 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 no. It's
So
not worth it. It's
it's
not
not
worth
worth it. It's just if you want to relax, there's meditation to relax.
it.
Pick up a hobby. I mean,
Mhm.
the other chemicals are not hobbies. You can find a cheaper hobby than alcohol or the drugs. So there's my 2 cents. I mean,
It's your
I'm
two
just
cents.
learning from experience. It's not from what I've seen other people go through, and I have, but this is what I've gone through. So
Yep.
that's how I think I've got the right to say anything. personal experience.
So we're here to help you guys, and like, for today, just encourage you to not despair if you feel like you're stuck in the house because the weather's so yucky, because a lot of people are going through some rough stuff. There's a lot of flooding going on, and you know, I think everything happens for a reason, or well, we can, no matter what the situation is, it's how you look at it, how you perceive it. You can choose things to be bad, or you can see the good in it and what it's allowing you to do. It'd be real easy to complain, and especially with this weather, and complain like, well, we're not going to be able to get this done today, and then you have a negative attitude, and that kind of messes with the rest of your day.
If anything, pick up a book.
Mm.
This is a good time to read those books or get started on one that you've been putting off for a while because you've been doing everything else.
Yeah, have some me
Yeah.
time. Take a hot soak in the tub, read, relax, chill. So, okay. I never know what I'm going to say on these videos. I'm just trying to encourage people and just kind of let everybody know we're thinking about them and we care.
Well, I was back there and I didn't want to say, here, here. I didn't know if she wanted my input that way or not.
So anyway,
I agree vehemently. So
that was nice. Very good.
yeah, thank you.
Very good. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Until next time, Ultreya, move forward with courage and in love. Bye bye.